channel, Makeup with Melanin. So this is today's look. A little simple black smoky eye, but with a twist. We just added some glitter and a black lip. So if you're interested and you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure that you stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Always leave feedback down below in the comments. If you haven't already, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos to come. After you subscribe, make sure that you hit that bell to turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss out on any of the amazing content that I have coming soon. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so next we're going to go in with this Maxi Professional eye and lip pencil. Looks just like this. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It was like $1 and some change. And I know some people don't like using black because it is very dark and they feel like it's not natural, but I prefer that my eyebrows be Alright y'all, so brows are done. I don't really care if they're perfect. Next we're going to go in with our Pro Conceal, and this one is in the color Cool Tan. Looks just like this. And just prime my eyelids. Alright guys, so we are going in with our James Charles palette, and today we're going to do somewhat of a smoky eye, but not necessarily smoky eye. So the first color that we're going in with is black. And we're just going to pack that in all over our lid, like so. Alright guys, so for my next color, we are going in with the color Benny, which is just a dark brown, and we're going to place that right above our lid in the crease. So right here, I'm just going in with my makeup wipe and kind of cleaning that up a little bit. I didn't want all that excess eyeshadow close to my eyebrow like that for this look. I know some people like it, but for this look, it was just a no for me. Alright, so as you can see from my little captions, the next color that we're going in with is Shade, that shimmery like gold color. This is literally one of my favorite colors out of the palette, guys. If you have the James Charles palette, make sure you use this color because it is so freaking pretty. Okay y'all, so the next shade is that glitter in the third little row, I guess you could call it, and that one is called So Good. We're going to use that on our inner corner. Alright guys, so next we're going in with lashes. So these lashes that we're using today are from QT's Lash Boutique. This style is Purple Daisy. So these are how they look. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put on lashes, and then I will come back with my face already done to close out the video. Okay guys, so I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the owner of QT's Lash Boutique. I'm going to read her little description on her website. So it says, "Hey loves, my name is Quintasia Small. She's 21 years old from Charleston, South Carolina. She's a senior at the illustrious South Carolina State University, majoring in early childhood education. She is also senior class vice president, a part of the Dr. Emily England Clyburn Honors College, and a proud member of Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority. Her eyelashes have been a part of her life since she was in the 10th grade, and she's loved them ever since. So honey, why not start a business? You know what I'm saying? Why not start a business doing it? I love these lashes. I definitely will be shopping with her again. Make sure y'all go check her out at qtslashboutique.com. Okay guys, anybody that watches my videos knows that anytime that I am supporting a black owned business, I always do a clip of their website just so you can see. That is the description that I read to you guys. So there's that, and then here are a few photos of clients that are wearing her lashes just so you can see, you know, obviously how they look on people. And then I'm just going to show you all of the lash styles that she offers. So like I said, make sure y'all go check her out. You cannot forget it. I've said it 5 times already. QT's Lash Boutique. Y'all go shop. Okay guys, so if you're watching at this point, make sure that you go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I hope that you go ahead and subscribe by clicking that red button. You do not want to miss out on any of the amazing content that I have coming soon. So this is just me. I lied, y'all. I am putting my face makeup on camera. I realized that I recorded it, and quite frankly, I feel like there's no need to waste footage. So here we are. So I feel like you guys already know, or if you watch my videos, you kind of have an idea as to what I put on my face and what I'm doing. So I'm not going to sit here and talk you guys through it. I'm just going to let this part play. If you want to skip it, you can. I hope you don't, because I want you to watch it all the way through. But yeah, this is basically the end of the video, and I will come back to close everything out. Okay guys, so like I said, I wanted to do a black lip, and I truly don't feel like I'm the only person to ever do this, but I did not have a black lipstick, so I'm going in with my black eyeshadow to create the look that I want. And honestly, I think it turned out great. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Alright guys, so this concludes today's video. This is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up. Always leave feedback down below in the comments for me. If you haven't already, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. I will leave tons of pictures and videos at the end so that you can see the final look a little more. But yeah, this is all that I have for you guys today. Make sure that y'all go shop QT's Lash Boutique for these lashes. And yes, honey, that is all. Bye, guys.